Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make claws. First, take a square paper and fold it into a triangle shape. Crease it like very well so it doesn't mess up. And then fold it into a triangular shape again. Crease it again. Finally, fold it into a triangle shape one more time to create a vertical line in the middle of the triangle. Open it up and make a small shape where it looks like a obtuse triangle, like that. And fold it in about 2 times. 1, 2. So after you fold it in like that, you're gonna be seeing a small pocket in the front. Fold the excess into the small pocket. If you wanna change a bit and make it straight, you can do that. Now we made the claw. You can put it on your finger and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye!